If you're in a constant battle with your closet, it's probably because you're not cooking your clothes. So, what in the world do I mean by this? Well, I'm a personal stylist and I've built my entire personal styling program based on the concept of meal planning for your clothes. And I love to use cooking as an analogy for styling because they're actually a lot more similar than you might think. Look, we live in a consumer culture that makes it super easy to keep buying ingredients without actually using them. So you can feel like you're constantly buying clothes and you have great pieces in your closet, but you don't feel like you have great style because you don't actually know how to put them together. Think about it this way: you wouldn't go to the grocery store and buy something, then bring it home and realize that you didn't have anything that paired with it and it didn't go with all the other ingredients that you had at home. So, the same exact concept applies to clothes. Stick with what you know, your go to recipes and tried and true outfit combinations. And the fun thing is that you can experiment with these combinations just like you would experiment with ingredients in your kitchen. Try out some different outfit combinations combining the pieces you already own. We're not reinventing the wheel here. And just like you might find a brand new recipe you want to try, you can always look on Pinterest or Instagram to see new outfit combinations you want to try. Just make sure that everything in your closet is something that you're going to want to wear over and over again because these ingredients don't expire. And once you start cooking with your clothes, you'll realize just how easy and fun it is because just like cooking, style is a skill that has to be practiced.